This type of cut is very common if you always go one over on your tail. So shapes like this, where instead of using the color on the bottom, you go with a higher color. When you do that, you're at risk of this floor cut where when you pop it, you need the colors on the bottom to stay there to continue your tail, but if you cut them, your tail won't work. So it's something to be aware of so that you see it coming and you make sure to get rid of that in advance so it doesn't cut. Now this can happen in a few different ways. This is one of them. Here's another one where it's a little bit less common if you only have two at the bottom, but it can still happen like this. Or this would also cut, or even this would cut. And then another way it can happen is, so with this shape, it's a little bit trickier to see, but because it's going to fall together and form a group of three, it's very risky because you only need one yellow to cut. So you have to be very aware of this cut because it can be both harder to see and it's very easy to cut because you only need one of the color. And it can even be like raised up and still cut. But if it didn't cut, it's supposed to look like this.